Hi, I'm Marielle from MarielleAccentCoach.com, and I work with professionals from all over the world to help them sound clearer and more native-like when speaking English in professional contexts. And today I want to talk to you about a challenging aspect of American speech, which is T's and D's at the start of a stressed syllable, like in attach, hotel, potential, adapt, adult, adore, time, talk, typical, topic, day, down, desperate. First of all, when pronouncing T's and D's, you might be pushing your tongue forward a lot and making the tip of your tongue very pointy and narrow, like this. T, 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 t. Whereas Americans keep their tongues a little bit farther back, not pushing them forward to make this sound. And the tip of the tongue is wider and flatter. And it feels a lot softer, not pointed and precise, but softer, flatter, and more relaxed, like this. Not. Another key difference is that in a lot of languages, you would touch your top teeth with the tip of your tongue for T's and D's, like t, 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 t. And we do not touch our teeth. Instead, we touch the roof of our mouth behind the teeth. T, d, t, d, like that. However, another key difference that most people don't pay attention to is that in addition to the wider, softer, and flatter tongue tip and having the tongue farther back, not touching the teeth, Americans also close their jaws. They close their top teeth and bottom teeth every time they pronounce T and D at the start of a stressed syllable. Watch how when I say these words, my jaw is open, my teeth are apart for the vowels surrounding T and D. But then when I get to the T and D, I close my jaw, I close my teeth. A t, a t, a t, a t, a t, guitar. A t, a t, attach, attach. A t, a t, a t, attention. Attention, a d, a d, a d, adapt, a d, addition, a d, adult, adult, a d, reduce, a d, adore, a da, a document, a dar, a dark, a dark, a t, a task, a t, a task, a table, a typical, a topic. Did you see how every time I went to pronounce T and D at the beginning of a stressed syllable, I closed my jaw. My teeth were totally closed. Now let me show you the difference. I'm going to touch the roof of my mouth the same way I always do, with the tip of my tongue wide and flat and my tongue pulled back, hitting the palate, not my front teeth. But I'm going to keep my jaw open. And I want you to see how keeping the jaw open will prevent you from getting that same clear T and D that I just had. Guitar, guitar, guitar. Attach, attach, attach. Attention, attention. Attorney, attorney, attorney. Adapt, adapt. Deduct, adult, document, talk, time, task, adore. Now here's the other version again where I am closing my jaw and closing my teeth as I go to touch the palate. Potential, potential, guitar, attach, attention, attorney, adapt, addition, deduct, adult, adore, talk, time, task, dark, day, down. So why does it not sound right if I make a T or D without my jaw completely closed and my teeth completely touching? American T's and D's have a sort of hissy quality, a quality similar to the sound of an S. S, s, s. And notice we also close our teeth when we pronounce S's. S, s. Similarly, with T's and D's at the start of a stressed syllable, we get a sound quality similar to S's, where there's a lot of air passing over a groove down the tongue. T, duh, t, duh, t, duh. And then that air exits our mouth as we open our teeth. T, a t, a t, a t. But if your teeth don't close 100% when pronouncing T or D, then you're not going to get that same quality even if you're moving your tongue the same way that an American would. A t, a t, a duh, a duh, a t, a t, a duh, a duh, a t, a t, a duh, a duh. Even if I put my teeth really close together, I'm not going to get that same sound quality unless I close them 100% and then open them. A t, a t, a duh, a duh. The same thing occurs when we have T or D, not necessarily at the start of a stressed syllable, but following another consonant. Building, building, ding, ding, building. There's an L before the D, so we have another consonant plus D. In this situation, we pronounce it the same way that we do at the start of a stressed syllable. Adapt, building. Adult, welding. See, I am closing my teeth and releasing the air here as well. Building, welding, folding, holding, ding, ding. Scolding, unfolding, ding, ding. Spending, sending, understanding, understanding, ding. Same thing with T's. If you have another consonant before them, you will close your teeth. Melted, melted, tid, melted. Salted, tid, salted. Acted, acted, tid, tid, acted. Connected, connected. Protect, protected. Rejected, expected, tid. Hey, if you are a non-native English speaking professional and you would like to learn how to speak with a truly Native American accent in 2026, then be sure to check out the link in the description box or the comment section down below for more information on my one-on-one American accent coaching programs. That's it for today. Ciao.